Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to connect and use Zoom H1 or H1n audio recorder with any Android smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see here my Zoom H1. So I'm using a Zoom H1, as you can see, a Zoom H1, and here I am having a Android smartphone, so you can clearly see. So firstly, before proceeding, let me show you I don't have a battery installed also. As you can see, I don't have a battery in it, so I will use it without a battery also. So how you can do it? So for this you need two things. Firstly, you need a USB OTG cable or a USB cable, that is a micro USB cable, which you will gonna fit on your Zoom H1 or H1n, as you can see here. So this is a little micro USB bigger size, so the mobile micro USB will not fit, so you need to get this kind of bigger size micro USB, which will be connected to your Zoom H1 microphone. So first, get this USB OTG for your smartphone and get a micro USB cable firstly. So after that, what you need to do, just insert the USB OTG on your Android smartphone just like this, and now insert the cable. So let me insert the cable firstly. So I've inserted the cable. Now just connect this bigger size micro USB with your Zoom S1. So once I connect this micro USB with my Zoom S1, so a power will lit up. So you can see here, so it's asking audio or card. So when the audio comes here, right now you can see when the audio comes here, just click on the record button and now click on here again. Now you can see here the volume level, and you can just control the volume level here just by clicking the volume plus and minus button. So when you click on plus, so you can see the volume level. Keep it as 50 or below it so that you get a much good sound with less noises from the background itself. So let me open any voice recorder or audio recorder applications in my Android smartphone to give you an example. So you can see here a record button, but here I'll not record using my Android smartphone speaker, but using the Zoom S1 I will just try to record. So you can see here, so I will bring it close nearby so that you can see it clearly. So I'll just put it near my mouth, the Zoom S1, so you can see here. So I'll just click on this record. Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll be checking the voice and sound quality of my Zoom S1, which is connected with my Android smartphone. So you can see it's really working, that the voice are being recorded through my Zoom S1, which is connected with my Android smartphone directly using the USB cable. So once I open it, and let me show you, now I've opened it, and let me show you. Now I'll just try to record without using a Zoom S1, so how the voice will pick up. I'll keep it on the same distance. I'll just click on resume again. Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today I'm testing the voice and sound recording of my Android smartphone using the inbuilt microphone. So you can see here lots of huge differences on the voice catching levels. So you can see here the bigger voice notes. You can see right now the bigger voice notes. This was recorded using a Zoom S1, which is connected with my Android smartphone. And let me show you the other. So you can see here it was without using a Zoom H1, that is recorded using just by the internal microphone of my Android smartphone. So in this way you can easily connect the Zoom H1 with any of your Android smartphone and record your voice directly using the Zoom H1, which is connected with your Android smartphones. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then try it out today. And these tricks will gonna work even for the iOS, that is the iPhone devices. Just for iPhone devices, you need to get a Lightning OTG cable. That is, the iPhone does not support the Type-C or micro USB OTG cable, so you need to get a Lightning OTG cable first. Then after that you can use the same wire to connect with the Zoom H1. So these tricks will gonna work for both Android as well as the iPhone devices. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then try it out today. And if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.